In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets to Notion, and I'll even share with you the 10 best free widgets you can use. Notion is a powerful tool for managing your workspace, whether it's for wikis, documents, or projects. And with the addition of widgets, you can enhance your Notion experience by customizing it to better suit your needs and preferences. First things first, navigate to your Notion workspace, which is where all the magic happens. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the Login button. Enter your credentials, and you're on your way. Once you're logged in, head over to Notion Home. This is your starting point, where you can access all your pages and databases. Now, select the page where you want to add a widget. Click on the page to open it. This will bring up your editing interface, where you can start customizing your space. To add a widget, you're going to use a little trick. Simply type in the / character and the word embed. This command allows you to embed various types of content into your Notion page. Here's where the fun part begins. Adding the widget link. For instance, if you have a clock widget or a weather widget that you'd like to use, you'll need the specific URL for that widget. Once you have the link, paste it directly into your Notion page and then hit enter. Notion will work its magic and embed the widget right into your page, giving your workspace a new dynamic touch. Now that you know how to add widgets, let's quickly talk about some of the best free widgets available. There are countless options to explore, from weather forecasts to habit trackers, Pomodoro timers, and beyond. Widgets can even help you keep track of stocks or deliver quotes of the day to keep you inspired. The possibilities are almost endless. If you find that your workspace feels more personalized and effective with these tools, you're not alone. Many users find that incorporating widgets transforms their Notion setup from a simple database into a truly interactive, enriched personal dashboard. Feel free to try out different widgets and experiment to find what works best for you. Widgets are a fantastic way to showcase information and make your workspace more functional. So don't hesitate to explore and play with various options. That's it for today's tutorial on adding widgets to Notion. I hope you found this guide helpful and are excited to start enhancing your Notion workspace with some great widgets. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and feel free to share your favorite widgets too. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.